level of the Rivanna Reservoir. We had about 1.5 inches of rain maybe 3 days ago, and we're due for a real good soaking tonight. So we'll see what happens, how quickly the reservoir fills up if we really do get what they're forecasting. It's tropical moisture, so that's what usually breaks these droughts. We'll just see. That's the level, and after the rain we'll be back up here. 30 September, Thursday. We've had about 24 hours of a decent rain. That's the tropical moisture coming up from the Gulf. So this is a check on the level at Rivanna Reservoir. And rather than guess how much that is up from the last one, I'll just let you check both of them and see for yourself. Now this is Rivanna Reservoir, and I may have gotten one date wrong on this sequence, but it should be 3 consecutive afternoons. The first afternoon right when the rain stopped. Second afternoon 24 hours after the rain stopped. And this is the third afternoon, 48 hours approximately. So this is what we want to see. This reservoir is fully charged. And that's what normally happens. This reservoir will fill after a good rain. It's got such a large watershed or area that it drains. So even after the rain, it takes a while for the water to get down here from all of the streams, all of the runoffs, everywhere that it runs off. And this is the reservoir at full flow. And you can see the sediment content for, I believe the reservoir is 5 miles long. For that length, the heavier pieces of sediment or the heavier aggregate will fall out first, and the lighter, more fine soil will fall out last. But every time we have a big rain, there's another load of sediment that comes in here. So that's the sequence, and it's good to see. It's good for the people, it's good for the river, it's good for all the wildlife that lives above and below the reservoir. It's just good. And one additional note, you might be able to pick up an idea of how much sediment comes down into a reservoir. This muddy water, and remember, this is after the river flow and the stream flows have slowed considerably because they're in the reservoir.